How to check keyword ranking in Semrush. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to Semrush and then simply click on keyword overview, and then here you're gonna have to simply enter your keywords. So I'm gonna enter, let's say, shoes, and here you can change the location. As you can see, now if you want, you can search by city, then simply click on search. And as you can see the volume in that specific country. You can see the difficulty. As you can see, it's very hard to rank for this keyword. And here you can see the global volume and the countries. As you can see, in India, there is a lot of traffic for this keyword. Here is the cost per click, and if you scroll down here, as you can see, you're gonna find keyword ideas. As you can see, shoe carnival, on cloud shoes, and other uh, the other keywords. Here you even have questions. So if you want to write a blog or create a video about something, you can see, as you can see, how to clean Swedish shoes. There is this amount of volume, so this is how many people are searching for this keyword. So basically that's all. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.